Okay, so I went and got some more. This is a piece of the plug. I've already put 14K acid on it, and it's copper. I've already done one with the 10K, and it's copper. So this is no different. It's copper. This is another plug. Alright. Put the 14K acid on it, and yeah, it did turn green at first. And that's just because, you know, whenever they have the base metal, they always put a plating on it. So my guess is the acid was eating the plating. Now, I was just reading something as well, and it was talking about if there's metals that you have and it has a little bit of gold in it, after it does the whole greenish the greenish smoke from the acid eating away whatever plating and whatever material it is, that if there is gold, it'll have a dull brownish color to it when it's done. Now, it could be just on the touchstone, but it could also be on the metal itself. So I've already did that, and I'm going to do it again as well. And there's a dull brown in there. You can't really see it, but it's right there. And I'm gonna put some more on there. I'm really testing this theory. Okay, so as you can see, it's doing it again. We're just gonna let it sit. Once the acid stops, we'll see what it does after. Will it turn dull again, or a dull brown color, or will something else happen? So right now we're just watching to see what happens after this. When all this greenish goes away, bluish green, distinctive color right here. Okay, you can't really see it, but right now it's not fizzing anymore. So it's not really reacting to whatever else is under the acid. So now we're just waiting for the acid to dry up to see how it looks under. I don't see it fizzing at all. Actually, a tad bit. Tiny little fizz bubbles in there. Alright, so my theory is now that it might be gold based, and they might have plated it. It might be plated with something, and they only did that just because there's some metals like brass and copper. It's really good with conducting electricity, and brass with zinc is good for what's it called? Something resistant. Corrosion resistant. So they might have just did that as a way to help with the current flow of electricity. It could be that. Or they just decided they wanted to be real good genius people and do something very good for us like this, and played it off for a long time to wait to see how long somebody found out that it might be gold. It might have done that. Honestly, that would be funny if they actually did do that. They're geniuses if they did. Nobody knew. So right now, this acid is relaxed. It's not doing anything. It's not bubbling anymore. It's just sitting on top of the metal. It's not doing anything. And under it, you probably can't see it. No, I can see it. Trying to focus. The under, you can see the gold under it. And I really doubt that's brass. So I'm gonna move the acid off of it. So I'm not even gonna move it. I'll just do this. That's all I'm doing. And voila. There's a little brown spot on there. Dull brown. So my theory might be correct. It might actually be gold. So yeah. Some people might want to check their plugs just in case.